In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use line breaks in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a new line inside a single cell, which is perfect for cleanly formatting things like addresses, checklists, or multi-line notes without spilling into other cells. First, open your browser and go to Google. From there, look toward the top right of the page for the app launcher, the small grid icon made up of 9 dots. Click that to open Google's list of apps. Find and click on Sheets to launch Google Sheets in a new tab. If you're already signed in, you'll land right on your Sheets home, where you can see your recent files. Next, open the spreadsheet you want to work with. You can do this by selecting a recent file from your dashboard, or by choosing a template or blank sheet if you're starting fresh. Once your document is open, navigate to the specific cell where you want to insert a line break. Double-click that cell to enter Edit mode. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the blinking text cursor inside the cell. If there's already text there, click exactly where you want the break to appear so the cursor sits at that spot. Now for the key move, press the Control key and then press Enter on your keyboard. Hold Control, tap Enter, and release. This inserts a line break within the same cell, moving any text after the cursor down to a new line, while keeping everything contained in that single cell. If your device uses a different modifier key, use the equivalent for your keyboard and operating system. You can repeat this as many times as you like to create multiple lines within that one cell. If you need to tidy things up, you can remove a line break by placing the cursor at the start of a line and pressing backspace to pull it up to the previous line, or by using delete from the end of the line above. Take your time to position the cursor precisely so your text flows the way you want. That's all there is to it. Go to Google, open Sheets, load your document, double-click the cell, and use Control plus Enter to add neat, readable line breaks right where you need them. With this simple technique, your data becomes easier to scan and far more professional looking, especially when you're sharing sheets with teammates or clients. Give it a try on a sample cell, and then start applying it to your real-world lists, addresses, and notes for a cleaner layout.